Prestissima here. Today, we're going to learn the music alphabet on the piano keyboard. And we're going to learn how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. First, let's remind ourselves of the music alphabet. Remember, it was 7 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So let's try saying them up and back down one time in rhythm, okay? Just like we did last time. Let's try it, starting on A, going to G, and back down. Here we go. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Wow, good job. How'd you do? Now, if you remember, the piano keyboard is made up of patterns of white keys and black keys. The black keys come in sets of 2 and 3 at a time. So you have 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and so on. Now, each of these white keys are named by a letter of the musical alphabet. So how do we know which ones are which? Well, the white keys have different shapes and positions that you can identify using the black keys. And each white key is named using a letter of the musical alphabet. For example, the note D goes between the 2 black keys. So let's find the 2 black keys. Here are 2 black keys. So right here in between, here are the 2 black keys. This white note in between is D. So everywhere you see 2 black keys, the note in between is D. So here's D. There's 2 black keys. Here's a D. There are 2 black keys. Here's a D. 2 black keys. There's a D. 2 black keys. There's a D. 2 black keys. There's a D. Just below the 2 black keys is the note C. So let's see. Here are the 2 black keys. So right below, that is C. So let's try another one. Here are the 2 black keys. Which one's C? Right below that one. Okay, how about one more? Here are 2 black keys. So where's C? It's the white key right below them. Right above the 2 black keys is the note E. So let's try again. Here are the 2 black keys, and right above them is E. Okay, let's try again. Here are 2 black keys. Where does the E go? Right there, right above. Okay, one more. Here are 2 black keys. Remember where it goes? Right above. That one is E. So far, we've done 3 white keys, right? We have C, which is right below the 2 black keys. Then we have D, which is right in between the 2 black keys. And then you have E, which is above the 2 black keys. The notes on the piano keyboard go in order of the music alphabet. So, if this is C, and this one's D, and this one's E, the next one is F. And we also notice that the F is right below the pattern of 3 black keys. So in between the 3 black keys, we have 2 white keys, as you can see. Down here where we had the 2 black keys, we only had 1. But now that we have 3, we have 2. So this one here, the first one is G, and then A. Let's find another one. Okay, here are 3 black keys. Remember, we have 2 white keys in between. This one's G and A, because they go in order. Okay, how about another one? Over here, we have 3 black keys, and then we have the 2 white keys in the middle, and those are G and A. Good. Okay, so far we've learned C, D, E, F, G, A, and the next one would be B, because it goes in order, right? So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. And if you look, here are the 3 black keys again, and it's the one right above them, right there. Should we try somewhere else? Okay, how about here? Here are 3 black keys. Where is the B? It's right above the set of 3 black keys, right? So right there. How about over here? Here are 3 black keys. We have 1, 2, 3 black keys. And where does the B go? Good job, right there. And notice that right above V is C. And the pattern starts all over again from C. So you have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then again, back to C. So the very, very, very lowest key on the keyboard, way down here, is an A. So if we start down here on A and go all the way up the keyboard, we'll see that the pattern repeats over and over and over. I'll show you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 A, B, C. Ooh, and the very top note is a C. If you'll notice, this top C here looks a little bit different than these other C's, doesn't it? Well, they had to cut the piano off somewhere, right? So this is the last note, and there are no more black keys. This A looks kind of different than the other A's too. Look at that. Well, it's because they had to cut the piano off somewhere, right? So if you kept going, you would see the 3 black keys here, and then the white keys, and then 2 black keys again, but they had to stop. So here's A, and then as we go up, you see the pattern start normally again. See? We're gonna play all of the A's on the entire keyboard. And remember, the first A is the very, very bottom note. Ready? So here's an A. Ooh, where's the next A? There it is. And then this one. And then this one. And this one. There it is. There's an A. And there's the last one. So when you go from A to A like that, we call that an octave because that means 8. If you'll notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 notes because it's 7 letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then you go back to A, and that's number 8. From A to A is an octave. Also, C to C is an octave. Or D to D. Or F to F. Or G to G. These are all octaves. Okay, let's play again this time, but we're going to play with B. Remember down here, this is A, so this next one is B. And this is the one that normally would come at the top of the 3 black keys, but since it's the bottom of the piano, it looks kind of funny, right? Okay, so here's B. Where is the next B? There it is. And then there. And then there. And B. And B. And B. And B. Okay, how about this one? Do you remember what note is between the 2 black keys? It's a D. Let's try playing all of the D's from the very top of the keyboard down. Now, where is the top D? Let's look. There's 2 black keys there, so that must be D. There's D. Okay, let's find the next one. D, 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 and that's the lowest one, D. Okay, so we did D. Do you remember what the keys were above and below this 2 key pattern, this 2 black key pattern? Well, the one below was C, and the one above was E. Good. How about we try playing all of the C's and E's together from the top of the keyboard down? Okay, let's see. Remember, the very, very, very top note is C, but there's no E above it, so I'll just skip that one for now. Okay, so I'm going to look for the 2 key pattern, 2 black keys, and the one below it and the one above it are C and E. Okay, so that's our first one at the top. And then let's go down to the next one. Where's the next one? There it is. C and E. And then there's 2 black keys. C and E. And the next one, C and E. Okay, and then C and E. And then down here, C and E. And remember what notes go in between the 3 black key pattern? Remember we had 2 white keys here? What do we have? So here's the 3 black keys, and in between them we have G and A. Good. Let's try finding that pattern from the bottom of the keyboard all the way up, okay? Let's see, where's the very bottom one? Oh, remember this bottom one was an A? So there's no G underneath that because it's the bottom of the keyboard. So we'll skip that one. Go up, we're gonna look for this 3 black key pattern, and in between we have G and A. Okay, so we'll come up here, 3 black keys, G and A. We go G and A, G and A, G and A, G and A. One more, G and A, yay! So you remember the white key that's beneath the 2 black key pattern here? That is C, right? So if you look right in the middle of the piano keyboard here, the very middle one is called C. That's why we call it middle C. We're gonna learn a song that starts on middle C. Let's learn Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, first I'm gonna play the song and you watch me and sing along with me, okay? Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So if you look at my music, I'm actually following these notes: C, C, G, G, A, G. And the second line was F, F, E, D, C. But I was singing the words instead of the letters. How about this time, I'll play it again, but this time I'm actually going to sing the letters of the notes. You follow along reading the letters with me, okay? Let's try it. C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, D, C, G, G, F, F, E, D, G, G, F, F, E, D, C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, D, C. If you'll notice, I'm playing this song with both hands, but I'm just using the tall or middle finger here, the third finger on each hand. So we're going to alternate hands, starting with your left hand. I'm going to play the C. I'm going to play 2 C's, and then I'm going to alternate to my right hand. And then I'm going to cross my left hand over, and then cross my right hand back over. Ooh, because it's so fancy. Can you do this but so gracefully like I did? And then cross over, and then cross over again gracefully. Wanna try it? C, C, G, G, A, G. Ooh, that was so graceful and so fancy. Let's try it again. C, C, G, G, A, G. Don't forget, are we all using our ghost hands right now? Remember? We're gonna have everything loose and tension free, and then just pivot up a little bit at the wrist and place them gently on the piano. Are we all doing that? Okay, good. Don't forget ghost hands and graceful, graceful crossing. Starting on the C. Ready? C, C, G, G, A, G. Good job. So we're going to play this whole song with both hands, with your middle or tall or number 3 finger, and it alternates left hand, right hand, crossing over. So let's try the whole thing. You try to play and sing with me. I'm going to go ahead and sing the note names so I can help you out. Ready? C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, D, C, G, G, F, I'm going to sing the words. If you can, go ahead and play and sing with me. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Did you know that the melody of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is also the melody of a bunch of other songs like Pease Porridge Hot or Baa Baa Black Sheep or even the ABC song? I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to play each of those songs with that same melody, but I'm going to sing the words to the other songs. Here's Baa Baa Black Sheep. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives in the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. This one's called Pease Porridge Hot. Pease porridge hot, pease porridge cold, pease porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Now here's one that everyone knows, including you. So sing along with me. Here we go. ABCDEFG, HIJKLMNOP, Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Did you know that you could also sing the ABC song backwards? We're going to try it now. Okay, ready? Woo, let's try this one. ZYXWVUTSRQPONM Me with sing you won't time next. C's B-A, my know I now. Woohoo! I did it! So today, we learned the music alphabet on the piano keyboard, and we learned a new song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and we found out that there's a whole bunch of songs we can sing with that same melody, like Baa Baa Black Sheep, Pease Porridge Hot, and the alphabet song, the ABCs. And we even sang it backwards! Amazing! So remember, practice all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!